3:30 na ng hapon at bukas ay New Year's Eve. So, pupunta ako sa grocery kasi marami pa akong kulang para sa aming New Year's Eve. So, sama kayo guys sa akin. Mamili tayo ng grocery. Si Hana at saka yung papa niya aalis din kasi pupunta sila ng Home Depot. Nakaalis na sila. Yan, tayo naman. Parang biglang dumilim na. So, I'm sure bukas sobrang dami ng tao at ayoko makipagsiksikan, lalo na sa Asian store. Ayan, kasi pupunta din ako sa Asian store. May bibilhin ako doon. Oh my gosh, wait lang, yung akin palang listahan na iwan. Yeah, so ayun na guys yung napamili ko sa Asian store. Meron tayo ditong itlog ng pugo. Ayan, kasi nagluto ako ng fishball at saka itlog ng pugo. Then yung coconut saka yung Korean na corn dogs. Ayan yung mga candies. Yan, gusto ng mga bata. Yan, pumasok na ako sa loob ng Asian store. Tapos yung listahan ko pala nakalimutan ko rin dito. Ay naku, tanda na talaga si Madeline. O yun, nabili ko naman lahat ng mga kailangan ko sa Asian store. So ayun, punta tayo dun sa kabilang grocery. So yan guys, yung Food City. Diyan ako nag-grocery. Oh, finally. There it is. Pauwi na ako ngayon. It's already 5:30. Good morning guys! Happy New Year Philippines! So ako naman mag-uumpisa ng mag-prepare ng aking mga lulutuin. Meron pa akong listahan. Yan, itong dahon ng saging para sa ating suman. So meron akong malagkit dito. Yan. So binabad ko na yan sa gata at saka asin. Yun. Tapos meron tayo dito itlog ng pugo para sa ating kwek-kwek kasi yung balak kong ihahanda is pika-pika. So yan. Then meron tayo dito shredded coconut para sa ating suman. At saka yan, yung ating isda para sa fishball. Na-miss ko kasi yung lasa ng fishball dyan sa estansya dati pagkagaling ko sa school. Yan, yung nadadaan ng mga totoong homemade ng fishball. So ngayon, isi-set up ko muna yung aming table para ready na ilagay yung mga pagkain mamaya pagkatapos lutuin.
That you said
candle holder, yung gamitin nyo is ito lang yung wine glass or kahit anong baso pwede. So yung gagawin mo, itataob mo lang siyang gano'n, tapos ipatong mo yung kandila sa taas. So mamaya, pag naglagay ako ng pagkain dito, itong center table natin, usod lang natin dito sa may pinakagilid para may space tayo sa pagkain. Kung na-notice nyo guys, meron na tayong mga kortina dyan. Kinabit namin to nung nakaraan. Kagabi nakagawa ako ng space dito. So naibaba namin yung couch. So yan, para komportable kami mamaya sa pag-celebrate ng New Year. So itong halaman na to, nabili ko to kahapon sa grocery. Yan, meron siyang mga berries. Pangdagdag to sa ating mga bilog. Pangdagdag sa ating display ba. Yan. And then, so pagkatapos tong gamitin, pwede na siyang itanim sa labas. Kinakabit na yung aming grapes. Isa sa ating tradition sa Pinas. Dinala ko dito.
Good.
Yan. Yay!
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
One more in front door.
Front door?
Oops! No! Nalaglag. So, yan guys, ito na siniset up ko na yung aming fruits dito sa lamesa. Yan. Last na to. Ito yung ating grapes. Meron akong mga plastic plates dito. Nabili ko to kahapon dun sa may Chinese na grocery. So yan. Naghahanap ako ng tawag nito yung snake na symbol. Kasi 'di ba ano tayo 2025 year of the snake. So wala akong nakita. So yan guys, meron tayong coins dito. Yan, and then yung mga candies. Salted caramel chocolate. So tapos na yung ating mga sweets. Alam niyo guys, tuwang-tuwa ako pag gumagawa ako ng mga ganito kasi para akong naglalaro. So, at least nai-enjoy ko siya. So yan guys, nandyan na yung mga dahon na ilalagay ko sa suman. So, yan. So, bali, puputulin ko lang tong mga dahon. So yan guys, ready na yung malagkit. Yan, so bali tinanggal ko yung ibang gata. Yan, so konti lang yung natira dyan. Then ready na rin yung ating mga dahon. Ito yung ating mga pantali. So ready na gawin yung ating suman.
Got a long list of debt I'm stuck in. See the quicksand and I jump right in. Pushing me down, down, down while I'm drowning. Exhaling all the pain so it don't sink in. All these other people talk about me like they know me. I ain't looking for a handout, just a hand that wants to hold me. But you use that against me, so I'll keep holding on. All these other people trying to act like they know. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors, then throw it all in my face. You're putting weight on my shoulders. It's hard enough getting older. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors, then hold it over my head. I'm paying off all the baggage, so I don't owe you a damn thing. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors. I don't know how to ask for some help. Don't want a burden, I'll do it all by myself. Cry to the sound, sound, sound of all your avoidance. Easier to ignore what's really hurting. All these other people talk about me like they know me. I ain't looking for a handout, just a hand that wants to hold me. But you use that against me, so I'll keep holding on. All these other people trying to act like they know. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors, then throw it all in my face. You're putting weight on my shoulders. It's hard enough getting older. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors, then hold it over my head. I'm paying off all the baggage, so I don't owe you a damn thing. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors, then throw it all in my face. You're putting weight on my shoulders. It's hard enough getting older. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors, then hold it over my head. I'm paying off all the baggage, so I don't owe you a damn thing. Do me a favor, don't do me any favors.
Yan guys, dito pala muna tayo sa ating dining. Yan. So ito, yung aming wood stove. So ano siya guys, heater. Hindi siya automatic or anything. Lalagyan siya ng kahoy. So, bali dito to ilalagay papunta. Tapos yung mga ano niya, yung mga tubo niya doon sa kabila sa labas, papasok doon sa may bubong namin sa labas. So, bali i-unwrap namin siya ngayon para makita nyo. Kasi baka dumating yung mag-i-install this week. Yan. I think there's something in the other side at the back. And so ito yung kanyang brand, Vermont Castings. So yan na siya guys.
Oh yeah, it's got a lock. Yeah, lock in there
Okay, that's fine. Just
for shipping.
Yan. So yan guys, meron na tayong kasama dito. Yan. So tinatanggal na yung buto ng dates. So yan guys, tapos na yung ating suman. Meron tayo ditong 3, 10. So yan, bali 10 bugkos siya. Tigda dalawa, bali 20 lahat. Ngayon, umpisa naman namin gawin itong aming dates. So i-roll yung bacon dito. Yan, tapos i-bake siya. Ilaga ko na tong ating suman. So, isasalansan ko siya.
It's too late to change. It's too late to change.
So, yun guys, ready na siyang ilaga. Meron pa doon bacon. Oh, you did good job, Hana.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
Tingnan mo.
Yan guys, dito kami sa labas. Tignan mo to. Yan, bibiyakin ko yung nyog dito sa labas. Takot ako dito sa loob. So, hindi gagamitin yung talim. Bali yung likod yung gagamitin natin. Ito. So, let's try. Here we go. Hindi na matamis. Guys, tanggal na yung ano niya. Tingnan mo, tanggal yung ano to, tawag dito? Yung bao. So, ano siya niyan siya. Mas easy na sa akin kasi kailangan ko pa siyang tanggalin dito sa bao mamaya. So, yan. So, bali dalawa yung gagawin natin. Tigas. Ang tigas na. Tingnan mo, oh. Tanggal yung bao. Oo. Ayan. So. Chim nga. Ano nga ba? Ano mo doon? Padala. Package.
One week left and I can't escape.
So, yan yung ating gata. Ngayon, ilalagay ko yung
Way that I felt called you.
meron tayo ditong lemon peel. Pampadagdag ng lasa and then pampatanggal ng umay. Pagka bago ko ilagay yung ating buko, tatanggalin ko lang yung mga balat ng lemon.
I'll be gone. Don't try to stop this now. I've gotta move on. 1 week left and this place is hell. Things that you said, the way that I pushed it down, called you up to say there were that
So, yun na yung ating kutsinta, guys. Pinupuno ko lang siya.
up to say there were only friends.
So, guys, yan na yung aming fish bowl. Yan, guys, yung charcuterie board. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, lagayan ng mga pika-pika. Tapos, meron pa dito, hindi pa tapos, pero mag-start na akong mag-assemble. Yan, yung natirang cheese lumpia nung Christmas. Yan. So, ginawa namin siya. And then, yung ating kutsinta, tuna. Then, nagkagawa na kami ng kwek-kwek ngayon. Yan. So, yung tukayo, tapos na rin. So, ito yung ating mga cheese para sa cheese board or charcuterie. So, yan guys, mag-assemble tayo. So yan na yung ating kwek-kwek guys. Ayan, kinakamay ko na. Kasi para mabilis. Yan, tapos meron din tayong tokneneng dito. Yan. Yan. Naligo na ng harina. Siya yung tigaluto ng fishball at saka itong kwek-kwek natin. Fishball. Ang kulit ni Hannah mamaya. May pa ganun. So yan guys, finally luto na lahat at nandito na nga siya sa ating table. Yan. So, yung lahat medyo nagre-relax na ngayon at aakit na rin ako sa taas para magpalit ng damit. So, yan na yung ating mga niluto. Yan yung ating manong sauce. And then, yung ating fishball, kikiam, kwek-kwek. Yan yung cheese lumpia, tukneneng, at saka itong ating suman. Parmesan cheese board. Yan. Yung chicken na yan, hindi po yan sunog kasi yung marinade niya is soy sauce. Kaya, ganyan yung kulay niya. Then, yung ating kutsinta. At saka may nyug na rin yan. Yan mga dessert natin, snacks, sweets. So yan yung ating fruits. So yan guys, sa drink meron tayong sparkling wine at saka champagne ng mga bata. Non-alcohol siya.
When it's shutting down.
What you gonna drink, Hannah?
Pineapple.
You want pineapple?
Because you know I'm not a big fan of
Sprite.
yeah.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
The bacon.
Yeah, throw me a couple of the bacon dates.
Thank you.
So yan yung ating pika-pika.
Pickle, pickle, too.
It's so spicy.
I think I'm done.
You're done with what?
Nothing.
Can I have some vinegar?
The collabs are really good. Can I have some chicken?
What do you guys want to watch tonight? Wicked?
Yes.
Yes.
All hands for Wicked.
I don't remember.
3.
I want to see Ariana Grande.
Gladiator 2.
Me too.
Okay, that's 3 to 3. Okay, we're running out of movies. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
I forgot about that movie. Kind of bad.
Everything else is like B-rated movies.
Just give it to you.
That was busy.
I would say we write down the 3 names of the movies and we pick.
Here.
Yeah? Sound good?
Done.
So who wins?
That's it.
That's it.
Winner. What?
That's it. We'll see.
Like we pick, like in a draw. What?
Yeah. We'll just draw.
Kaham.
Me.
Hannah's gonna pick.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, Hannah, you pick. Whichever one you
Picking
pick.
what movie we gonna watch.
Whatever.
Come on.
And there's no complaining.
No complaint. Make sure that's the
It's
movie
fair.
that you
It's
want.
fair.
And they all bloody.
Come on. Come on, pick up now.
Why you gotta say something?
There, I take
That's it?
Read it.
Okay.
Read it. I wanna see that one. Change it.
chicken.
What is it?
that one
What is
too.
it?
I don't know.
Just throw it.
I can't read. Throw it. I can't read.
Good, J-Lo.
No, that was fair. Look. Okay, look. This one was
Meow meow.
Venom. Okay, and this one was
Meow meow.
Papa
Wicked.
puts it in a very bad.
go. You guys okay with that?
No.
I hit out. I don't.
That's fine.
I-
How was the kuchinta?
It's like
Good.
a more sour soy sauce.
Good?
Oh.
Do you like the coconut? Yeah? We are watching Wicked.
That wasn't me. Good luck. Good luck with Sarah's
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Happy New Year! Yan guys, Happy New Year sa lahat.